Welcome to ASMLawAcademy.com. Part 4, Contract Law Module Overview deals with vitiating elements in the formation of a contract. Represents the chapter Mistake. Topic number 1, Guidelines 1 Mistake. In general, the law will only provide relief where the mistake is a bilateral mistake. What are the bilateral mistakes? Topic number 2, a mistake of fact is a unilateral when only one party is mistaken. So in case of bilateral mistake, both parties are mistaken. So topic number 3 deals with unilateral mistakes. In case of unilateral mistakes, courts are generally unwilling to find that a contract is void at law, where the mistake is the mistake of one party only. So topic number 4 deals with mistake in equity, uncertainty as to whether or not a contract can be avoided in equity. The uncertainty arises from the decision in the case of the great peace. Part 4 also represents the chapter Misrepresentation. A misrepresentation is an unambiguous false statement of existing fact or law which induces a contract. A statement can be both a misrepresentation and the terms of the contract. So, in case of definition, when negotiating a contract, the prospective parties may say many things which are designed to encourage the other party to enter into them. So in case of remedies, the remedies available for misrepresentation will depend on whether it was made innocently, negligently, or fraudulently. It also represents the chapter Duress and undue influences. Courts are reluctant to set aside a contract between parties of unequal bargaining power solely on the basis of inequality. In case of duress, the common law was slow to develop a doctrine of duress. Initially, only duress to the person. A threat to the personal security of an individual was recognized as duress. So undue influence equity developed a different response to contracts from where one party was subject to illegitimate pressure during the contractual process. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you may comment below. And for further more details, please visit asmlawacademy.com or you may call us, and all the links are given in the description below.